when the mango season has arrived. It calls for a mango dessert. Let me take you through the making of this yummy dessert recipe. Mango pudding. Mango FALOODA. A very easy to follow recipe. A must-try recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. To a cooking pot, add 3/4 cup of water. We'll be using China grass agar-agar strips for making this dessert. We'll be using half of this, that is about 12 grams. Cut the strips into small pieces and add it to the water. Let the China grass soak in the water for a minimum of 30 minutes. This step helps it cook and dissolve faster. Add in some more water if required. After half an hour, cook it on a low flame. Constantly keep stirring the mixture. Keep cooking until no chunks remain. At this stage, I added 1/2 cup of water more to dissolve it completely. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar. And constantly keep stirring. Let this cook until you obtain a smooth mixture. It takes around 8 to 10 minutes to completely dissolve. We'll be using 2 mangoes cut into small cubes. Add these to the mixer grinder. Add sugar according to your taste. I added around 7 to 8 tablespoons of sugar. It all depends on which mangoes you choose to make with. Make a smooth mango puree. Bring half a liter of milk to a boil. Make sure the milk is cooled down completely before adding the puree to it. Add in the mango puree to the milk. Constantly stir the mixture. Blend this mixture to obtain a smooth textured mango pudding. To a large mixing bowl, add the dissolved China grass mixture. To this, add the mango puree milk mixture. Constantly stir to combine the both well. Pour the mixture into the serving dish. Add in the toppings of your choice. I'm using chopped almonds. You can use saffron too. Let this chill in the refrigerator for minimum 2 hours before serving. Once it's set, cut them into desired shape and sizes. So perfect, so delicious. This was my first time I ever tried this recipe. And I am sure I'll make this every mango season too. Please don't forget to subscribe.